Where do I mail IRS Form 1120? If you are a corporation and need to file IRS Form 1120, you might be wondering where to send it. This form is essential for reporting income, gains, losses, deductions, and credits. The mailing address for your Form 1120 will depend on two main factors: where your corporation's principal business is located and the total assets at the end of the tax year. Let's break it down to make it easier for you. First, if your corporation's main business is in certain states and your total assets are less than $10 million, you will send your Form 1120 to the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Kansas City, Missouri, zip code 64999-0012. This applies if you are not filing Schedule M3 and your principal business is in states like Connecticut, Delaware, or New York, among others. Now, if your corporation is in those same states but has total assets of $10 million or more, or if you are filing Schedule M3, you will mail your return to the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Ogden, Utah, zip code 84201-0012. For corporations located in other states, regardless of asset amount, you will also send your Form 1120 to the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Ogden, Utah, zip code 84201-0012. This includes states like California, Florida, and Texas. If your corporation is located outside the United States or in a U.S. possession, or if you are claiming certain tax credits, you will mail your return to the Internal Revenue Service, P.O. Box 409-101, Ogden, Utah, zip code 84409. When mailing your Form 1120, make sure to include the corporation's true legal name, address, and employer identification number. If you only receive mail at a P.O. box, use that number on the form. Keep in mind the filing deadlines and the tax year you are covering. Form 1120 is typically filed for the calendar year or 4 fiscal years that begin in the tax year. If you choose to file by paper, use the correct mailing address based on the criteria we discussed. Electronic filing is also an option and is often quicker for processing and confirmation. Following these guidelines will help ensure your corporate tax return is processed accurately and on time.